Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Jeep Patriot Sport. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Jeep has less than 86,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, stability control, traction control, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.